Hi guys, Patanjali has this Navratna Atta. It's actually multigrain atta. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review and demo. This 2 kg pack will cost you rupees 140, and here on the top itself we have the whole ingredient list. So this Navratna Atta is a mixture of whole wheat and the remaining 8 grains. Whole wheat is 60.64% and the 8 grains barley, maize, gram, soya bean, pearl millet, all those comes 39.36%. Shelf life of this pack is 4 months and we have the nutritional information. Each 100 gram atta will give you 14.12 gram of protein, 13.72 gram of fiber, and then there is sodium, calcium, iron and other nutrients. Nutritional value of multigrain atta is comparatively higher than our regular wheat grain. And the good part here is on the pack itself they have given ratio of all the ingredient with the percentage. So we have the option to make the similar flour from a local chakki following the same ratio. Now let's have a look at the flour. Coming to the texture of the flour, it's rough, not very fine. So to knead we have to use lukewarm water and make a consistent dough. This doesn't stick to your hands, it is smooth to knead. Once the dough is ready, let it rest for about 20-30 minutes. And after 20 minutes, just give it a final knead and you are good to go. Start rolling chapatis. You would be able to roll chapatis well, but not like wheat flour. Elasticity won't be there. This atta dough is on brown side. Similarly, chapati is also on brown side. If you eat them right away hot, then they are extremely good. You will enjoy every bite. But if at all you plan to carry these chapatis to your office lunch, they become dry and roti doesn't hold very well together, usually break unlike wheat roti. After applying ghee, if you eat them right away, it's delicious. If you fold wheat roti like this, it would be back in shape, but this one won't be. So we have only one option to have it hot, else you won't like it. Overall, atta is good. It is a healthier option. Give it a try and subscribe for more.